Welcome to this lesson on Sybil attacks, a critical security threat in blockchain networks. In this video, we'll explore how attackers use multiple fake identities to manipulate decentralized systems and learn about the defense mechanisms that protect blockchain networks from these sophisticated attacks. A Sybil attack is a network attack where a single attacker creates and controls multiple fake identities to gain disproportionate influence over a decentralized system. The term comes from the book titled Sybil, which tells the story of a woman with dissociative identity disorder. Just as one person can have multiple identities in that condition, in a Sybil attack, one malicious actor operates many fake nodes or accounts simultaneously. This allows them to manipulate the network by making it appear that many independent participants are acting, when in reality, they're all controlled by the same attacker. Let's understand how a Sybil attack unfolds in 3 key steps. First, the attacker creates multiple fake identities, which could be user accounts, network nodes, or wallet addresses. Second, these fake nodes join the peer-to-peer network, appearing as legitimate independent participants to honest nodes. Finally, once enough fake identities are established, the attacker can gain majority control and manipulate the consensus mechanism. This gives them the power to influence voting, validate fraudulent transactions, or disrupt the network's normal operations. To make this concept more concrete, imagine a peer-to-peer network with 200 honest nodes. An attacker creates 100 fake nodes and introduces them into the network. Now the attacker controls 50% of all nodes. With this level of control, the attacker can block legitimate transactions from being processed, manipulate voting outcomes in governance decisions, or even launch a 51% attack to reverse transactions and potentially double-spend cryptocurrency. This demonstrates why Sybil attacks pose such a serious threat to decentralized networks. Sybil attacks can have devastating impacts on blockchain networks. They can cause consensus disruption by manipulating voting and decision-making processes that are fundamental to blockchain operation. Attackers can enable double spending, where the same cryptocurrency is spent multiple times by reversing confirmed transactions. They can launch eclipse attacks, which isolate honest nodes from the rest of the network, effectively cutting them off from receiving accurate information. Finally, Sybil attacks can lead to network denial, where legitimate transactions are blocked and normal operations come to a halt. These threats undermine the trust and reliability that blockchain systems depend on. There are 2 main types of Sybil attacks. In a direct attack, Sybil nodes directly communicate with honest nodes in the network. The fake identities interact with legitimate participants as if they were genuine users, making detection more challenging. In an indirect attack, Sybil nodes operate more covertly by using compromised honest nodes as proxies. Instead of directly engaging with the network, attackers route their malicious activities through these intermediary nodes. This makes indirect attacks harder to trace, since the malicious behavior appears to originate from previously trusted nodes rather than directly from the Sybil identities. Several methods exist for detecting Sybil attacks in blockchain networks. Behavioral analysis involves monitoring patterns in node communication and activity to identify suspicious behavior that deviates from normal network participation. Network topology analysis examines connection patterns to identify suspicious clusters where many nodes are connected in unusual ways, potentially indicating coordinated Sybil identities. Resource testing verifies the computational or financial resources backing each identity, ensuring that participants have genuine stake in the network. Trust mechanisms use reputation systems and social graphs for validation, tracking the history and relationships of nodes over time to distinguish legitimate participants from fake identities. Blockchain networks implement a concept called Sybil resistance to defend against these attacks. The fundamental principle is to make creating fake identities economically or computationally prohibitive. Rather than trying to detect Sybil nodes after they join the network, Sybil resistance makes it extremely costly to create multiple identities in the first place. This preventive approach ensures that an attacker would need to invest massive resources to execute a successful Sybil attack, making such attacks economically irrational for most potential attackers. Proof of work is one of the primary defense mechanisms against Sybil attacks. In proof-of-work systems, participants must provide computational power to create blocks and participate in the consensus mechanism. This means solving complex mathematical puzzles that require significant processing power. The high electricity costs and expensive hardware requirements make running multiple nodes economically unfeasible for most attackers. To control the network, an attacker would need to acquire and operate enough mining equipment to outpace all honest miners combined, which requires enormous capital investment and ongoing operational costs. Proof of stake provides an alternative defense mechanism where validators must stake cryptocurrency to participate in consensus and block validation. To become a validator, participants must lock up a significant amount of the network's native token as collateral. This creates a financial barrier to Sybil attacks because acquiring enough tokens to control the network would be financially prohibitive. Additionally, the system is designed so that validators who act maliciously risk losing their staked tokens through a process called slashing. This means an attacker not only needs massive capital to acquire controlling stake, but also risks losing that investment if their attack is detected. Beyond proof of work and proof of stake, blockchain networks employ several additional defense strategies. Identity verification uses know your customer procedures and biometric authentication to ensure that network participants are real individuals, making it much harder to create multiple fake identities. Rate limiting restricts how frequently new nodes can be created and how many transactions can be submitted, preventing rapid deployment of Sybil nodes. Reputation systems track node history over time and assign trust scores, making newly created identities less influential until they build a track record of honest behavior. Finally, cryptographic puzzles require computational challenges for new identity creation, adding another layer of cost to deploying multiple fake nodes. These combined strategies create multiple barriers that make Sybil attacks increasingly difficult and expensive to execute successfully.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.